Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Spotify playing random song issue on your device. So I'll be showing you different method on how you can fix it. Make sure to stick with us till the end. This kind of issue usually occurs whenever your autoplay option is enabled, and the other thing might be that the random song in your queue. And in order to solve the issue, what you can do is first thing you need to turn off your autoplay or disable your autoplay. Log into your Spotify account and then click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And after that, under playback section, you need to turn off your autoplay on your device and the autoplay on other devices as well. You need to toggle the switch, and after that you've disabled your autoplay on Spotify. And after doing this, you might be able to fix it. And the other thing is that remove random song on your queue. You'll need to click on the queue icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it, you'll be able to see a list of songs that is on your queue, and after that you need to select the song by tapping the circle in the left in order to remove from the queue, and after that you'll stop hearing random song on your Spotify. So last but not least, if none of these method works, then what you can simply clear cache and data of your Spotify, and after that you need to re-log in into your device, and then you might be able to fix the issue. And that is how you can fix Spotify random playing song issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.